Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable watermark in your Tecno 19 Camon. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno 19 Camon and you are wondering how to turn on camera watermark. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, if you want to do that, you need to open the camera apps and then you need to go in your camera icon, this gear icon, and then you're going to find here something say watermarks, like which is the personalized watermark. Now you can see there is a bunch of watermark available. Time watermark, city watermark, brand watermark, text watermark, or watermark order. You can easily text watermark. You can type here different, like you can type here photography by XYZ. You can type here also if you want to turn on the brand watermark. You can turn on brand watermark. If you want to turn on city watermark, you can turn on while using the apps, and time watermark. For example, if I go back and now if I try to take a picture, if I go the view, we're going to see now in this picture is appear all the watermark, time, city, custom, and the model watermark, which is really quite interesting. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on watermark in your Tecno 19 Camon. If you decide to turn off, you can go again in your Tecno 19 Camon camera apps, go here this gear icon, and go here this watermark, personalized watermark. You can easily turn all of them. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on or off camera watermark in your Tecno 19 Camon. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.